Making 10K a month will completely change your life. It will give you the ability to become financially free, drive cool cars, take care of your parents, and most importantly, leave that shitty 9 to 5. All of those things happened to me whenever I was able to leave my job using the same exact blueprint that I'm going to show you in this video. This is the step-by-step blueprint to leave your 9 to 5 job in the next 90 days as a complete beginner. There's no experience needed. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and it's by far the best business model in 2024. It's the same exact business model that makes me $40,000 a month and allows me to be financially free. The very first thing, and probably the most important thing that you need to do, is fix your mindset. The biggest problem I see with people who join my coaching program, or who I just talk to, friends in general, family members, whatever, is they have this, they've succumbed to this brainwashing that time equals money. They have to trade time in order to make money. You don't have to trade time for money. That's something that the school system has taught you, that society has brainwashed you to believe. With hourly rate, wages, and salaries, you don't have to trade your time for money. People like me, people who make actual real money and become financially free, I only work 30 minutes, maybe an hour a day. If I want to, I can work more, but I only have to work 30 minutes to an hour if I want to sustain that 40K a month. The way the really rich people out there make their money is not by trading their time for money. They don't work for hourly wages. They don't work for salaries. They use their creativity to create wealth. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. I want you to start thinking about your online business journey, your entrepreneurial journey online, as a pyramid. And if you're trying to build a pyramid, obviously you want to build a very, very strong base if you want the pyramid to be a large pyramid. What a lot of people do when it comes to this online business stuff is they see the flashy stuff on Instagram, they see the flashy stuff on YouTube, and they want to go and shortcut and go straight to building the top of the pyramid before they ever build the base. And what happens whenever you skip over building the base of the pyramid? Obviously, when you start at the top, well, it's just going to crumble. We need to start off by building a very, very strong base to our pyramid, and here's how you do that. First off, you need to fix your habits. You need to unlearn all of the bad habits that you're doing on a daily basis. You need to stop smoking, stop doing drugs, stop drinking, stop going out, stop spending money on BS. And you need to replace those with healthy habits. You need to replace that with eating healthy and working out daily and things like that. Think about the most successful people that you know. I know a lot of the names that come to mind are people like Iman Gadzhi and stuff like that. Think about those guys, people who you look up to online. What do you think they are doing on a daily basis? And also, you probably already know exactly what you should be doing on a daily basis. If you ask yourself, what would a millionaire do? What would the millionaire version of myself do? What would millionaire version of Justin do in X situation? And you always have the answer. You're always going to come up with the correct answer in your brain because your subconscious mind already knows. Most people have information gathered enough. You already have the information in your brain most of the time. You just aren't executing on the stuff that you already actually know. If one of your friends came up to you and asked you, hey man, I want to be successful online, can you give me some advice? I'm sure you could probably give them a bunch of advice because you've consumed a lot of content. You already know what you're supposed to be doing subconsciously, but you're just not acting on that. So if you start making a conscious decision for as many decisions as you can a day, those decisions are going to start adding up. You're going to start being able to be conscious more and more for more decisions every single day, and those are going to start compounding on each other, and then you're eventually going to start making more money just off changing your daily habits. Next up, you need to develop the power of focus. Focus and attention are probably the two most powerful things that we have, that we wield as human beings. You need to develop long-term focus, and you need to be able to develop the short-term focus as well. Long-term, you need to be borderline obsessed with whatever goal you have, whether that's to make 10K a month, make 100K a month, just quit your job, just scrape by with 3K a month. I don't care what it is. You need to become obsessed with that goal. Whenever I was just a small YouTuber just starting out, literally all I did every single day was think about, ideate YouTube videos, script out YouTube videos, actually create YouTube videos, and edit the YouTube videos. And if I wasn't doing any of those things, if I was, playing basketball, shooting around basketball, in the gym, whatever the case is, even at my job at the time, I would just listen to podcasts on how to grow on YouTube. I would read books on how to grow on YouTube. I was absolutely obsessed with making it on YouTube, and look where that got me. And then also in the short term, so many people don't have short-term focus. You need to be able to sit down and do 2-hour bursts of deep work. That means not being distracted by notifications on your computer. That means putting your phone in a different room and being able to actually sit down for 2 hours and not have to get up to go eat something because you're craving potato chips for the day, or go check notifications on your phone, you need to leave your phone in a different room and not be distracted and actually be able to sit down for 2 hours for a deep work session. Your attention / focus and your time are your most powerful assets by far. Use them wisely. The next mindset shift that you need to make is that I am nothing special. The only thing, the one and only thing that separates me and you is that I believe in the process more. I know for a fact that this stuff works because I've accomplished it myself. But I believed even before I accomplished these things, and that's what separates me and separates you and the other people who are stuck in the rat race and actually want to get out. If I can do it, literally anyone can. To give you just a small bit of a backstory, I got fired from basically the first 3 jobs that I ever had. My very first job, I was working at a country club, got fired for watching The Matrix on the job like an absolute idiot. I also failed out of college twice on my parents' dime, just wasted their money. And then the second job I got fired from was an IT job that was handed to me by my dad. Third job I got fired from was also an IT job. Guys, I was a complete failure. If I can make it on YouTube, if I can decide that I'm going to obsess over making it out of where I was at, anybody can do it. Trust me, anyone can do it. Just look at all these people who have used my same exact strategies and also have become financially free. We have Lou, who started off his YouTube journey driving cars. He was driving around celebrities, people who were treating him like absolute trash and just needed to find a way out. And now Lou is making over $40,000 a month on YouTube. We also have Dennis, who was posting on YouTube for years and not seeing hardly any success, started using my strategies, and now he's making $36K a month on YouTube. And we have Casey, who was just tired of working her nursing job. She wasn't enjoying it. She started using my strategies, and within 3 months she was a full-time YouTuber. We have Tyler, who went from jobless to 10K a month in just 2.5 months. Aaron, who went to 10K a month in just 2 months, and the list goes on. And once again, there is zero difference between these people who I just listed off, including myself, and you. The only thing that they did that you are not doing right now is believe that it's actually possible, and prove to yourself that you believe it's actually possible. Put skin in the game, invest into a mentor, actually show yourself, I believe that these things are possible. Whenever you do that, whenever you make a decision like that, when you cut off all other possibilities by putting skin in the game, investing into a mentor, whatever the case is, you are showing your subconscious and your unconscious mind that this is a real thing. We just made a huge investment into this. Let's make this work. It's obviously a real possibility to accomplish this. There is more opportunity right now than there ever has been before, and that possibly there might ever will be. Just remember, the universe rewards people who go all in. A huge mindset shift that people need to make is they need to stop spending money on dumb stuff and start spending money on investing into themselves, investing into their own education. I've personally spent around $120,000 in the past year or so on coaching, on business-related things, non-business things. And it's every single time, even if it's not the best coaching program in the world that I join, it's always worth it because I always come out with something, whether that's a new piece of information, a new connection, a new relationship that I made. And even if I get none of those things, I am still telling myself that I'm cutting off all other possibilities. That's what the word decide means, to cut off. We're cutting off all other possibilities. We are making this work because we just made a huge investment into making this work. So if you want to escape your 9-to-5, you need to start taking the money that you're making from your 9-to-5 and investing that into yourself. Now, what exactly is this business model and this blueprint that I'm going to tell you about? Well, the global creator economy is currently valued at about $155 billion. And by 2030, that number is supposed to surpass $525 billion. So I think it's pretty safe to say that based on those statistics, making YouTube your priority is the absolute best way to escape your 9-to-5 in the next 90 days. That's exactly what all the people who I listed before did, and look where they are now. Now, I'm not just another person shilling out the faceless YouTube channel dream that all these other gurus do. I've actually stated many times that starting a faceless YouTube channel like all these gurus like to sell you as a complete beginner is probably not the right move. At least the faceless YouTube channels that they try to tell you to start. Let's go back to the toothbrush analogy. If I invent the world's best toothbrush and I want to go ahead and sell that toothbrush at scale, what do I have to do? Well, I have to either get good at sales or hire a sales team. I have to either get good at marketing or hire a marketing team. Let's say that I decide to hire out all these teams. I get a sales team, I get a marketing team, I get a graphic designer, I get all these different teams. I have 7 different teams under me. And all I know how to do is make good toothbrushes. Well, the very first month, I make approximately 0 sales on my toothbrushes. Now I have to go ahead and pay all of these teams that I just hired. And number one, I have no idea why we made 0 sales because I'm not good at sales. I'm not good at marketing. I'm not good at designing. I'm not good at any of these things that I just hired out. So not only do I not know where we went wrong in the process to make 0 sales, now I'm in the red because I'm having to pay all these teams and I don't have any sales to show for it. That's basically the situation that 99% of beginners find themselves in whenever they start faceless YouTube channels. Once again, like Like I said, faceless YouTube channels are very profitable. I make a lot of money off faceless YouTube channels, and a ton of people have gotten rich. It's just the way that these gurus try to sell it to you that you can just outsource everything while having no understanding of the YouTube algorithm or how YouTube works, and then boom, you're just magically rich overnight. It just doesn't work like that. So you know how I mentioned the pyramid early on, where we had to build the base of the pyramid very wide and very strong if we want to make our pyramid very large. People who try to do this faceless YouTube channel stuff and just hire everything out while having no knowledge of the algorithm, they're just trying to go straight to the top of the pyramid and start building that, and obviously they crumble, just like 99% of these beginners who start faceless YouTube channels. So what I push my students to do, what I push my clients to do, is build a very strong base. Let's master YouTube ourselves. Let's learn how to do titles, topics, thumbnails, how to leverage timing and current events to boost our videos, to go viral very quickly on our channels, learn how to edit ourselves in a way that captivates an audience. Let's learn how to master YouTube ourselves very quickly within a month or so, and then after we do that, after we have a successful channel ourselves, then if we decide to outsource to freelancers, we can do that, because if something goes wrong, we know exactly what it is. We know who's overcharging us and who's not. We know where things are going wrong in the process because we did it ourselves already. We have a deep understanding of how YouTube works and how to be successful. And what I've started doing is hiring CGOs or channel growth operators and just partnering with them 50-50. They do the day-to-day tasks, they record the videos, edit them, make thumbnails, everything, and I kind of just do big picture stuff, big picture strategy. So overall philosophy for topic selection, overall direction of the channel, things like that. And I collect 50% passively, basically completely automated, while they do most of the work, the daily activities. I would highly suggest you go that route, the CGO route, because it's pretty damn awesome. But how do you go about building this pyramid base of knowledge on YouTube? Well, first off, you need to learn what I call the viral 5. So topics, titles, thumbnails, timing, and then the 5th one is tenacity, and then also throw in video editing in there as well. So topics is the first T, or the first of the viral 5. You need to learn how to select really good topics, viral topics. I know it sounds simple, but there's actually a lot that goes into it. Obviously, everybody knows titles and thumbnails are super important, but there's actually a scientific formula to how to formulate the perfect title, and it changes a little bit niche to niche, but overall it's kind of following the same formula no matter where you go. Thumbnails, a lot of people think, are actually about graphic design, but they're not. It's a whole lot more about human psychology, understanding color theory, what makes people actually subconsciously trigger them to be intrigued by certain images, and then not only get intrigued, but also use them in tandem with the titles to force people subconsciously to click. I know that might sound kind of bad and dark, but we're just making them watch YouTube videos. We're not making them rob a bank or something. Then we have timing. Timing is probably my favorite of the 5 T's, and timing is leveraging current events and trends. I love to do this on every single channel I create. If you're leveraging current events and trends, you're going to blow up very, very quickly if you know how to do it properly. Number 5 is tenacity. YouTube is a tough game. If you're going into it alone, especially, it's going to take you a long time. It's going to be a lot of ups and downs. There's going to be rocky roads, no doubt about it. I've gone through a ton of that myself. And you're going to have to be tenacious. You're going to have to be relentless if you're going to make it, especially if you're going down this road alone with nobody there to help you. And then you also need to learn how to edit videos to actually captivate an audience. I don't think everybody needs to do Mr. Beast style editing. I think that's actually kind of played out, but you definitely still need to learn editing tips and tricks and little methods to keep people engaged on your videos. And I know this might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's worth it to build that very, very strong base. And if you're trying to learn it on your own, yes, it might take you a long time. Yes, it might be a lot, but if you actually have somebody there to explain it all to you, hold your hand through the process, it's not actually that much. It's not that complicated, and it doesn't take that long. But I know it does sound like a lot, and that's why it's so sexy for these gurus to sell you that you can just outsource all this stuff and never even have to learn it, and then just become rich overnight. Like I said, it doesn't actually have to take that long. Tyler makes 10K a month after being jobless. Like I said, he makes 10K a month after just 2.5 months of work. And then Aaron also, like I said, went from 0 to 10K a month in just 2 months. And you can go check out the interviews on my YouTube channel. You can go on my Instagram and look at my story highlights for my client wins. Trust me, that list is a whole lot bigger than the names that I just mentioned. And all of these people were complete beginners whenever they started their YouTube channels. Once again, they are not special, and neither am I. But let me just be straight with you and tell you the actual timeline. How long is this actually going to take before you can make enough from YouTube to actually leave your 9-to-5 job in the next 90 days. To be fully transparent with you, this took me around 7 years to finally master and get to the point where now I'm making around 40K a month from the platform. And it will probably take you around 1 to 3 years of obsessing over this thing if you actually want to quit your job. But if you have a mentor there holding your hand through the entire process, you can fast track your way to quitting that 9-to-5 job in 90 days or less, and also build that strong pyramid base that I was talking about earlier at the same time. That's exactly what all the people who I just listed before had access to. That's how they were able to go from beginners to making 10K a month and becoming financially free and quitting their jobs in such short periods of time. Let's go over an example timeline for if you hired a mentor today and you started your YouTube channel today, we got this thing rolling today. What is a conservative worst case scenario type timeline for you to actually escaping your 9-to-5 job? Once again, this is very conservative worst case scenario type timeline, but month number 1, it would be you just understanding the strategy. Let's say that you absolutely have no idea what's going on with this YouTube game and it takes you a full month to really grasp the strategies and put them into place properly. Let's dedicate the whole first month just to you learning and understanding and grasping the strategies, even though for most people it's not going to take that long. Month number 2, let's say that it takes you a full month to get monetized. A lot of people, they come in and they already have pre-monetized channels. I can hook you up with one if you want one, but for the sake of this example, let's just say month number 2 is fully dedicated to you just getting monetized. And around month number 3, you should be making about 5K a month. You should be able to quit your job on 5K a month. Most people can. And then by month number 5, you should easily be at 10K a month. And once again, this is a very worst case scenario, conservative type example here. As you can see by the names and the examples that I listed off before, a lot of people, most people, if they actually go all in and obsess over the thing, they're going to get there a whole lot quicker than that. I understand it might seem like a lot of work, especially after all of those faceless YouTube channel gurus have been selling you that if you just hire out everything without ever having to learn anything about the YouTube algorithm or actually master this thing and build that base of the pyramid. I understand after seeing all of that, this information might be like, man, that's so much work. That's going to take so long. But once you lay that groundwork, once you actually build that very strong base of a pyramid and you master the YouTube game, the world is literally yours. You have a skill that can feed you for the rest of your life. Remember those projections that I said earlier. Currently, the creator economy is valued at $155 billion. And by 2030, it's supposed to be valued, it's estimated to be valued at over $525 billion. This business model is by far and away the best opportunity right now to escape your 9-to-5 in 90 days. And by the looks of the projections, it's going to be the best business model for the next 10 or 20 years. If you want some help doing this in the next couple of months, instead of it taking 1 to 3 years, like I said, you can go ahead and book a call with a link in the description with me or my team, and we can see if you'd be a good fit for the program. And remember what I said earlier, time and attention are the most valuable things that we as humans possess. Money is a renewable resource. Time is not. The universe rewards people who go all in. Hopefully this video cleared some things up and helped you decide how you're going to escape your 9-to-5 job in the next 90 days. I truly believe you can do it. Now it's time for you to believe. If you found this video helpful at all, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you on the next video.